I close this.
You can close this, you can open a new window, anything is okay.
Okay. So we won't need it this screen right now, right? That's why I'm asking.
We'll need it after some time.
Okay.
Because once we configure it, we'll come back here and again we'll do the default features, right?
Okay. Okay. So I can do it over here. Yeah.
Yes. Go to personal management, personal area.
Management, personal administration.
Okay. Now go to evaluation basis.
Yeah.
Cannot see a screen now. Suddenly it was front of.
Cannot see right now.
Aditi, can you see? No, I cannot see. Ah. Okay. Can you go control F? Click control F.
Yeah.
Put administrator. Admin. Put admin. ADMIN. Click on that. Green tick. So sometimes if you don't remember the node, you can put the description. It will find you the node, and from there you have to search it.
Okay.
Can you scroll down? Yeah, scroll down. Page down. Can you click on page down? Page down. Page down on your laptop.
Yeah. Yeah. Actually, it's different
Okay.
on my MacBook.
Can you scroll down more? Scroll down. Down. Can you scroll down? Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down a little. Okay. Cross this one. Cross this one. We'll go somewhere else. Okay. Put /n SM30.
SM30.
30. In table put T526.
Table.
Table name is T526. There's something called click on find maintenance dialog. Can you click on that?
This one.
No, on the top there is a binocular and there's find maintenance dialog on that. Again, click on this. Nothing came?
No.
Okay, click on maintain then. So here is what we create all the administrator. Okay, when we tell this is your administrator, that is your administrator, we create your administrator.
Okay.
So now what we'll do, create one administrator for you. So can you go to new entries? Okay. So can you name a 4-letter word for your group? Any 4-letter word?
It's letter only or number also?
It can be alphanumeric.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now you can mention your administrator name. So it can be like what should I tell you? Just put any name like maybe put HR admin, PA admin. Just put PA admin. No, it is 4 letter only. So PAAD. PA. So put PAAD all in caps.
No, it's taking only 3.
Okay, so just put PA double. Okay, go to second one. Create a group WI02, WI01 only. WI01.
Again, WI01.
So we are creating the group and all the 3 administrators. 01.
Okay.
Put this as TIM. This is for time, TIM. Then go to the third one, WI01. Put it as PAY.
Okay.
So what we did, we created an administrator group and we created 3
Mm.
administrators.
Yeah.
Remember, see the side screen, right? One is the personal administrator, one is the time administrator, one is the. Now you can give any name for them. Can you give the name, any name for them? Like first personal administrator, mention personal administrator. Second, you have to put time administrator. Third, you have to put payroll administrator.
It's not taking the full name. Can I put admin?
Yeah, admin.
Yeah.
So time admin.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so this is what we created. Now, if you see tab, title, phone number, and personal number, so here you can assign an actual person. So let's say for title,
Okay.
Mr. Phone number, you can give any, and SAP name is the real person you assign to this person. So that we can leave it for now because we don't hire, we are not hiring any person. So we'll just keep it like this. Click on save.
Okay.
Yeah. So if what we did the last step, we created an administrator. Now can you put /n03? /np03.
Sorry. Yeah. Yes.
Now can you click on change? So now we have already configured the administrator. Now we'll do the default value for them. Same thing. Go to applicant data. Can you go to applicant data? No, go to otherwise then. Click on otherwise. Okay, go to employee group. Okay, go to top level. Scroll up.
Sorry.
Just scroll up. This person has done is very horribly. Has done the other way around. Can you scroll up little? Scroll up, yeah. Up. Okay. Go to otherwise and try to delete this employee group. Can you see? Yeah. Open otherwise. Yeah. Employee group. Delete this employee group. And always maintain if you see this person, he has taken employee group, within that he has taken personal sub area, personal area. That is wrong thing. Always go by company code, click on yes. Okay. Click on otherwise and create. Okay. Now try to understand what we are trying to create. So now we are creating, so any person who joins my company in this personal area will get this group. Now click on decision making, field for decision operations. Click on, yeah, highlight to highlight country grouping. Click on transfer.
Mm.
Go to Malga, create. Go back. Create 40 because we are doing for India, right?
Yeah.
Now go to India. Create. Now go to field for decision making. You understand how we are creating the decision tree?
Yeah.
Now we'll take company code, highlight company code and transfer. So always create through this entire decision tree. Now
Yeah.
click on company code.
So why does this open always?
No, that will open. You have to always touch the other thing. Go back. BQRS you have to touch, and then you have to create.
Okay.
So what was the company code we created? One IN99, right?
Yeah.
So always create decision tree like this. Never go haphazard like this. It's not a good practice. It will work, but it's not a good practice.
Yeah.
And copy. Now go to this, correct? Yeah, create. We create a decision tree, decision option, correct? Yeah. So now we have taken company code. Now we will take personal area. Click on transfer. Now go to personal area. Click on create. What was the personal area? IN00.
Nine. No.
What was the person? It was IN00.
Yeah. Then 9-1 was employee group, right? I'll just check once.
No problem.
How
It's
do
already.
I?
It's on the same page, right? You can see. That is why we
Yeah,
talk.
I'm 0. Yes,
The
yes.
naming convention also helps you to identify the codes as well. Click on copy. Is the tick one.
Yeah.
Now go to Wipro Karnataka again. Create. No. Return value. Click on return value. No. Return value. We will
Yeah.
not go further because we create one group, right? Now click on the green one. So you can go further also. You go to person sub AI, employee group subgroup. You can do that. But we created only one group. So why to go? Click on this screen. Now what was our administrator group? Wipro. What was it? W01, right?
01. Yeah.
W01. Click on transfer. Now delete all these others. There's others without anything. Delete that thing. There's another others. Others. Now click on activate.
Activate this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Save. Okay. So if you see what we did for India, company code this, for personal area this, all the employees will be having same administrator. Okay, because we create only one group. Create 4 groups, then we can for that. Now you go back. So if for type when we configured everything, we put all the features, right?
Yeah.
Now go to P30 screen. We'll go to info type 2 and see what are the possible features there and what are the possible configuration we can do.
Yeah.
Go to PA30 screen, not this one. There's a second screen open for you, right?
Yeah.
Can you go to info type 2?
P30. Sorry.
Yeah, can you go back and go to info type 2? We are in info type 1, right?
Yeah. Man.
Click on display. In this, if you see, what are the possible configuration? If you see last name, first name, this is all master data we are entering. Title is what we configure. Can you click on title? No, this is title.
This one.
Other. So this we can configure. We'll show you how to configure. Then is so this is configure. Other thing, first name, last name we cannot configure because this is already data. Date we cannot configure. We can configure state, nationality. This is already a part. Religion is already a part. This marital status we can configure. If you see, click on marital status. We can configure this two part, right?
Yeah.
So in this screen, we can configure only title and marital status. Why can't we configure first name, last name? Because this is a user data.
Yeah.
Configuration data is user data is even birth name, date of birth, English language. This system has already configured a lot of language, so we should not configure that. Number of child is again a value. Nationality also system. So in this, only two things we can configure: title and marital status.
Marital
And if you
status. Yeah.
see in this, we don't have any features. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll go to SPRO. We'll create this one. Okay. So this is the last we'll do, and we'll do a revision, and then we'll see for the next thing.
Okay.
Okay, now we have for configuration what we do. So start that same step again.
SPRO, right?
Are you correct? It is SPR or STRO?
No, SPRO.
So I will try to confuse you, but you always need to remember.
Yeah, okay.
So now what I told you, all the configuration happens in personal management and personal administration. So we'll go there.
Personal management.
Okay, now in this you will find something called personal data. Can you click on that?
Yeah.
So here we can configure all these things. Okay. So now if you go further into personal data, can you click on personal data? So you'll find something called maintain titles. Can you click on that? So there are a lot of things you can create in different religion and so on. So now you can create one more. Can you click a new entry and create a title for you? Put Shri, Shriman, Srimati, that kind of thing. Just to add little Shri and then Srimati.
Yeah.
Can you put the text again?
Same
You can even
thing.
copy. That is it. So output attachments is a more details one. So you can put Shriman, Srimati or something like that.
Okay.
Save it. So you have a new title. It is Sri and Srimati. Save it. Go back. Go back again. So you created something, a title called Sri and Shima. Click on marital status. So what you are doing, you are creating already a list, new marital status.
Mm-hmm.
You have single, married, create something, a new entry, 7 as a partner.
Okay.
Partner PA. Save it.
Oh,
You can put R and then.
no, it's not taking.
Okay, it's a limit. Can you just save it?
Yeah, it's already saved.
Okay.
It's saved.
Can you go back? Go back. So you see, you have one more matter. Can you go back? Okay. Now, can you click on religious denomination? So these are the 3 most used one. So here you can add one more. Can you put a new entry? Put key as maybe 99, something like that. Put abbreviation as 80. 80. A for Andaman, T for Tiger.
Okay.
80.
Abbreviation.
Put denomination text as atheist, something like that. Atheist. Save it. I think the key is used already, I guess. Click on save. Okay, it's not used. Good. Click on it. So in info type 2, can you go back? Info type 2, we can create new titles. We can create new marital status. We can create new religion. So this is the most we do. Okay.
Yeah.
So can you go to PA30 /NPA30? So info type 2, we covered info type 0. We created all the values and we created the features info type 1 and info type 2. Go to PA30. PA30, go to info type 2. Go to info type 2. Click on display. Can you go to title? Whether Sriman Shrimati is coming for you or not?
Yeah.
Shrimati is coming. Can you go to marital status?
Yeah.
Partner is coming.
Yeah.
Religion. Can you scroll down? Try to find atheism. It will be the last one because we gave 99 rates.
Yeah.
Like see?
So
this is the maximum what you can configure. Okay. Okay. So we have last 10 minutes. You have any questions? You have to ask something. Understood? Not understood? Anything is okay for me.
Yeah, today it was actually it was better than yesterday. Yesterday it was little bit lengthier for me. I wanted to revise it again
Because
and do it.
yesterday was that it was a new session,
Yeah.
and plus it was personal action is little complicated. It's not very simple like this. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So
So
you have
I'll
any
go through
questions for
that
me?
also again on the weekend or whenever I get
You can
time.
do one thing. Try to create new. Just like I'll share the documents today with Aditi. She'll share it with you. So you can go ahead and create that part. So whatever part will complete, that part I'll send you. So you can do your revision in that.
Fine.
So you can complete that. And tomorrow we'll touch base on other info types. What are the common info types? What are the common features? And what are the common configurations? So I think tomorrow we'll complete a personal area, I guess. Okay, but we need to be tomorrow we need to be a little faster because today, if you see, we completed enterprise structure and we completed 3 info types. Tomorrow at least time for 10 info types. So 2 hours means 1 hour 20. Each info type 12 minutes. So we need to be a little fast. Okay, because now 2 days you practice. Yesterday it will be more better, and each day it will keep on adding. Okay. In this way, what will happen tomorrow? We'll complete PA. Thursday we'll have organization management theory. On Friday, we'll have organization and practicals. And then Saturday, Sunday, you can complete PAOM, everything assignment which I give you. Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay. So we have another 7 minutes. 7 minutes. If you want to ask something, or do one thing, can you go to /SE09 and check what new things have been added?
Yeah.
Click on display. Yeah, open the last customization task. So if you see here, you added titles, marital status, religious denomination, payroll area.
Yeah.
So this one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So things are very simple. If you just follow the flow, it will help you. If you do something randomly, like let's say you create personal area, then you create company code, so that will become confusing. So this
Mm-hmm.
also will help you in the interviews and all. Always,
Yeah.
an interview, always remember something. As a functional consultant,
Mm.
remembering table is not a mandatory thing for you. You should know the SPRO notes, personal
Yeah.
administration. That is the mandatory thing.
Yes,
Tables is
yes.
for technical person. They do coding. That coding is done at table and field level. But
Mm-hmm.
if you remember tables like company code is BQRS,
No,
person
there are,
areas,
I mean, how many interviews I have attended? At least there is one question on features.
yeah, feature will be always there. Features
Features,
will be there.
then the table also sometimes, but not many of the times. Table also I've got a question, but I couldn't answer that question because I was in.
Even table, most of the table, if you ask me, even I don't remember most of the tables. That is not possible. Because
Okay, yeah.
we remember concept. As a functional consultant, we remember concept, we remember the SPRO nodes. Table is not easy because there are thousands of tables you'll work. That
Yeah.
is not like some tables you can remember, but like this pinch personal administrator, this table I remember, but SPRO node I didn't remember. So it has
Yeah.
to be a combination, like anything, whatever is there to possible. Okay, but whenever you're giving interview, just make them clear what a topic, because what happens, let's say they ask you some topic, what is personal area,
Yeah.
so you don't know the concept of personal area, then they get tired, then they ask what is your table name and field name.
Yeah.
So if you
Okay.
explain them the concept properly, then chances is there that you will only tell that, okay, this is personal area, this is the concept, this is how I configure. I go to SPRA, I go to person enterprise structure, then I go to definition, then I go to HR, and then I go to this. So then they don't ask. The chances are there they don't ask for tables and fields.
Mm-hmm.
And in case I will even tell in the personal area, the table name is T500P, because we keep on doing and then you will remember. So that is how it works.
Okay. Yeah.
Can
Yeah.
you click on personal area? Can you click on personal area here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Click on table content.
Table content.
So see, the
Yeah.
table name is T500P.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this
Yeah.
is how you remember.
Okay.
But
Mm.
if some individual is asking only table name, field name, that is sure that person is not a functional consultant, that is a technical person. Because
Mm.
technical person will never know because a coder will never know, because one day he'll work for HR, next day he'll work for finance. So concept,
Okay.
you know the nodes. They will never know the nodes. They will only know,
Mm-hmm.
okay, this table, this, because that the knowledge is limited to that. But you as a functional consultant, you should know the concept, you should know this thing and so on. Okay.
Yeah. 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 Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll do other 10 info types, all the configuration and all the features. So a maximum will get 6, 7 more features. So maximum 10
Mm.
features you need to understand. And
Okay.
you
Yeah.
could do the decision tree also, right? You added the number of things. So that is
Yeah.
how
Yeah.
decision. You have to always country first, company code, then person area, person sub area, then employee group, plus subgroup. This is the maximum decision tree we can.
Mm-hmm.
All the decision tree will have this.
Yeah.
Country,
Yeah.
company code, person area, person sub employee group, employee subgroup. That is the maximum decision tree.
Right.
So
Okay.
sometimes they can confuse you, like let's say for pinch, there's ABKRS, that is payroll area.
Yeah.
Then the decision tree, the the flow will be the same.
Yeah.
Maybe at some point you will give them the value, default value. Some places you will go to the end and give the default value. It all
Well, yeah.
depends. Okay.
Returning. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we'll catch up tomorrow at 2:30 and we'll try to complete this.
Sure. Sure. Yeah. Fine. Okay.
So this is the only hardworking thing. After personal area is done, it's only concept,
Mm.
and then you have to apply more. Here is less brain and more work.
Mm.
OAM in time in payroll, it's more of brain you have to use.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.